Tummy there. And what we're going to do is we're going to find an area of your spine that needs to move. So you can let your arms drop down this way actually. And then we're going to put the head up here. Yeah, like that. So we want the chest to rest there. And then is this pressure okay, or do you want a pillow? We have a pillow if you need a pillow.
No, it's okay.
Okay, cool. Now, what we're going to do is start here in the mid-back. And just to show you again what the pressure is like, it's going to be like this. Is that okay on the front?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay. So you're going to feel a movement and hear a noise. And the noise is not your bones rubbing together. It's nitrogen gas releasing from the joint. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Big deep breath in and out. Chest relax. There we go.
Oh my gosh.
How'd you do there?
I'm good.
Amazing. We're going to have you lay on your side, your right side facing this way over here.
Okay.
So the way we adjust your lower back is on your side.
Mm-hmm.
So you can go and lay down there, dear. And then the top leg is going to bend.
Yeah.
The bottom leg goes straight.
Yeah.
Hips relax. I'm going to bring you just like that, close to the edge. And then we're going to hold you here.
I'm scared.
Yeah. So we're going to hold you here just so you don't roll off the table,
Okay.
right? Hips relax. Bring you right there. And then what I'm going to do is contact up here in the lumbar spine, and then I'm going to lean over you.
Okay.
Force comes between our pockets.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
So you do have that natural tendency
I
to
know.
push the hips
I know,
out, right?
I'm
Okay.
always sticking my bum out.
Breath in, all the way out. Hips relax all the way. Beautiful movement. That was big.
Yay!
Okay. Like so. Hips relax. Drop here. And then we go. Breath in again. And out. Drop the hips all the way. Much bigger movement, right?
Yeah.
We're going to adjust your upper back with you standing. So I'm going to put my hands here. Your hands go on top of mine. And interlock your fingers. And then squeeze down. A little bit harder. And then, yep, chest up. Breathe in and fall back. Keep squeezing though. Keep squeezing chest up again. And then fall back to the body.
Ow.
Yeah. Breathe in.
I mean, it did it a little bit.
Yeah, so we got a little bit of movement there, but you see how tight?
Yeah, it just doesn't want to do
It just doesn't want to go. So we got a little bit, but that's why we have you here. We're going to have you on a plan.
Okay.
Good 3 times during the week because we got to change that. Make sense?
Sure.
And now you're going to lay on your back. Put it lay down there. And I'll take all that hair here, like so. Go ahead.
Mm-hmm.
Head relax. And this one's a little louder because it's closer to the ears.
Mm-hmm.
But it's the same thing. So I'm going to breathe in deep and out. Breathe in again. Head relax. Drop here. Wow.
That was the best one.
Não vai ver nada, tranquilo.
We're always on a second, is that?
Deixa eu ver. Isso. Respira bem fundo. Solta o ar. Solta o ar, solta.
Nossa.
Vira para o lado.
Legal.
Baixa o ombro. Respira bem fundo. Solta o ar, solta. Ótimo. Muito bem. Vira de baixo para baixo agora. E a respiração. Tá bom?
Caso meu vida.
Tranquilo. Respira bem fundo. Solta o ar. Solta. Ótimo. Muito bom. Só mais uma. Essa agora você vai levantar a cabeça. Vai pôr seu peixe assim no peito. Ó. Isso. Muito queixo alto. Respira bem fundo. Solta o ar. Solta o ar. Ótimo. Perfeito. Pode baixar. Tranquilo? Tudo bem? Viu? Pode soltar? Isso. Baixa esse ombro aí pra mim. Ótimo.
Nossa.
Whoa. You hear that?
Oh, that's a good response.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna, so right here at L5, that's where we're going to do the adjustment. So big deep breath in and out.
Whoa. That's crazy. Weird.
Good response.
Yeah.
That was a good one.
And what I want is your hands on top of mine up here. Right, all the way up, yeah. And then interlock your fingers right on top of mine and squeeze down. A little harder. And breathe in deep. And fall back. Look up.
Wait, look up.
You did perfect.
Oh, I did?
It's kind of a trick. You can't
Yeah.
really look up in
Yeah.
that position,
I'm like, I
but it
can't.
puts your spine into the position we want it. That everything's holding it down. It's stuck. So we want to hear that open up, and you want to feel it open up over time. Make sense?
Because it's super tight.
No, I've never done this one before. All the way over.
Whoa.
Let your head relax all the way over right there.
Whoa.
Big smile, spine aligned. Come on up.
Oh, cool.
Amazing, amazing.
Are you done?
He's done for today, yeah?
Oh,
Is there a massage?
you know what's next? My back.
Yeah, these to be a little sore at first.
Oh.
Yep. There we go. Okay. Now just relax. Hands on your tummy. Let me have your leg. There you go. Now you should have felt that knee all the way up to your back.
Yes, I did.
Okay, same thing here. Let this relax for me. There you go. Mm-hmm. And just, yeah. Just like that.
God.
Yep. Home run. Keep breathing. Let me have you. There you go. I still got one here. I want you to tilt your right ear to your right shoulder.
Если ты держишь, чтобы не падала.
Ой, мамочка.
Сама потом придешь. Нет, ты сама уже начинаешь сжиматься.
Опусти
Я
ручки.
просто я буду быстро делать.
Ручки
Для
опусти.
работы техники ты должна полностью довериться и расслабиться.
Я
Иначе-
просто уже...
Иначе мне придется тебя стучать по голове и расслаблять киянкой. Ты же этого не хочешь? Главное, да?
Нормально, нормально.
Опускаем вверх.
Так, это я напрягла... Подожди.
Если ты напряжешься, да,
Да.
у тебя будет зажим.
Больно.
Вот здесь, да?
Вот, да, вот.
Так, расслабляйся.
Сейчас выдохну.
Стой, стой, стой.
Ага.
Руки в замок, вот здесь на шее. Ключица касается подбородком.
Ну, касается, по-моему.
И сгибайте, покурить, чтобы одна позвонка вниз.
Да, конечно.
Одна позвонка. Все, выдох. Расслабляйся, расслабься.